Do you know how to introduce your family in French? By the end of this video, you'll be able to say
ma mère, mon père, ma sœur, mon frère.
And even describe your whole family tree in French. Today is a complete A1 beginner lesson, so no experience needed at all. Here's what we'll cover. 12 essential family words. How to pronounce them correctly. A real dialogue between two friends. A grammar tip about
Mon,
and
ma,
a practice drill at the end. Grab a pen if you like to take notes. Let's start with the vocabulary.
la famille, la famille. La mère, la mère.
The R at the end is soft, almost silent.
Le père, le père.
Same ending as mère, but with a P.
La sœur, la sœur.
This one trips people up. The OEU sound is like saying, with rounded lips.
Le frère, le frère. Les parents, les parents.
Notice the S is silent. Now the extended family, grandparents, aunt, uncle.
La grand-mère, la grand-mère.
Grand means grand or great.
Le grand-père, le grand-père. Les grands-parents, les grands-parents. La tante, la tante. L'oncle, l'oncle.
The L and uncle are joined because uncle starts with a vowel. That's called elision in French.
Le cousin, la cousine. Le cousin, la cousine.
Le cousin for a boy, la cousine for a girl. French has gender for most nouns. We'll talk about that in a moment. 12 words. Let's look at them all together. Pause here if you want to take a photo. Now let's hear these words in a real conversation. Sophie is showing her friend Lucas a family photo. Listen first, then we'll go line by line.
Regarde. C'est ma famille.
C'est qui?
C'est ma mère. Elle s'appelle Marie.
Et lui?
C'est mon père. Il s'appelle Paul.
Tu as des frères et sœurs?
Oui. J'ai un frère et une sœur.
Quelle belle famille! Beautiful, right? Did you catch all the family words? Now let's look at one very important grammar point from that dialogue. In the dialogue, Sophie said,
Mon père.
and
Ma mère.
why?
Mon.
For father and
Ma.
for mother. In French, words have gender, masculine or feminine, and the word for my changes depending on the gender. So,
Mon père.
my father,
Ma mère.
my mother,
Mon frère.
my brother,
Ma sœur.
my sister. One more thing, if a feminine word starts with a vowel, we use
Mon.
instead of.
Ma.
For example,
Mon ami.
my female friend. The in
Ami.
causes this change. This is called liaison, and it makes French sound smoother. Don't worry about memorizing all the rules today. Just remember.
Mon.
For masculine.
Ma.
For feminine. That's the main rule. Okay, practice time. I'll show you a French sentence with a gap. Say the missing word out loud, then I'll give you the answer. Ready? Let's go.
C'est mère. C'est ma mère. J'ai un. J'ai un frère. C'est père. C'est mon père. Elle s'appelle Marie. C'est ma. C'est ma grand-mère. Tu as des sœurs? Tu as des frères et sœurs? J'ai une. J'ai une sœur. Voilà maison. Voilà ma maison. Il s'appelle Paul. C'est mon. C'est mon ami. Elle s'appelle Sophie. C'est mon. C'est mon ami. Grand-père. Mon grand-père.
How did you do? If you got 8, 9, or even all 10 right, excellent work. If you missed a few, don't worry. Just rewind and watch the vocabulary section again. That's totally normal at A1 level. That's it for today's lesson. Let's do a quick recap of what you learned. 12 family vocabulary words in French. How to use
Mon.
and
Ma.
a real dialogue about a family photo. 10 practice drills. Now here's your challenge for the comments. Write one sentence below introducing a family member. For example,
C'est mon frère. Il s'appelle James.
I read every comment. I'll reply to yours. If this video helped you, please hit the like button. It really helps this channel grow. And if you want to learn more French like this, subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss the next lesson.
À bientôt.
See you soon.